Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. OBD-II fault code B0071 refers to a problem with the first row center seatbelt pretensioner deployment control, subfault. This means there may be an issue with the mechanism that tightens the seatbelt in the event of a collision. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms. 1. Airbag warning light is illuminated on the dashboard. 2. Seatbelt pretensioner may not function properly in a collision. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Loose wiring or connectors. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and inspect the wiring and connectors for any signs of damage or corrosion. Tighten or repair any loose wiring or connectors, and clear any corrosion to ensure proper connection. Defective seatbelt pretensioner. Inspect the seatbelt pretensioner for physical damage or wear, and test it with a compatible diagnostic tool to check for proper operation. Replace the defective seatbelt pretensioner with a new one to ensure proper functioning. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.